If your Gmail inbox feels crowded and you're tired of seeing annoying promotions, sponsored messages, and extra clutter every time you check your email, this video is going to help. Today I'm showing you how to disable Gmail ads and promotions so your inbox feels cleaner, simpler, and much easier to manage. We'll cover how to remove the promotions tab completely and how to stop personalized Google ads as well. This is a quick fix, but it can make a big difference in your day-to-day email experience. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Gmail in your browser and sign in if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside your inbox, look to the top right corner and click the settings gear icon. From the menu that opens, click See All Settings. This takes you to Gmail's full settings page where you can customize how your inbox looks and behaves. Now, along the top of the settings screen, click the Inbox tab. This is where Gmail controls your inbox categories and tabs. Under the categories section, you'll see options like primary, social, promotions, updates, and forums. If you want to disable the promotions tab completely, simply uncheck promotions. That will remove the promotions category from your inbox layout, so those messages won't show up in a separate tab anymore. After that, scroll down and click Save Changes. Gmail may refresh your inbox, and once it reloads, the promotions tab should be gone. Now, if you also want to stop personalized Google ads, there's one more step you can take. Open your browser and go to myadcenter.google.com. This is Google's ad center, where you can manage how ads are personalized across Google services. Once the page loads, look for ad personalization and turn it off if you don't want Google using your activity to tailor ads to you. After you switch it off, Google will reduce personalized ad targeting, which can help make the ads you see less based on your browsing and email activity. Keep in mind, turning off ad personalization doesn't necessarily remove every ad everywhere, but it does limit how targeted those ads are. So if your goal is a cleaner inbox and fewer distracting promotions, these two steps are the best place to start. First, remove the promotions tab from Gmail. Then, visit the Ad Center and turn off ad personalization if you want even more control over your Google experience. And that's it. Your Gmail should now feel a lot less cluttered and a lot easier to use. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and let me know in the comments what software or app you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.